Magandang gabi. It's Saturday night. Happy weekend. And for our Learn Tagalog, I'm gonna do a quick video. Let's learn the 10 fingers sa Tagalog. And before we start, you can check the Tagalog words sa ibaba, below, and make sure your subtitle is on. If not, click on the setting icon on the video and look for the subtitle or CC. Let's start learning the 10 fingers sa Tagalog. At let's start with the thumb o hinlalaki. 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 The index finger, hintuturo. Hintuturo. Hinlalaki, hintuturo. The middle finger, hinlalato, hinlalato. And the ring finger, palasingsingan. 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 And the pinky or the little finger, hinliliit. 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 Let's say that again. Hinlalaki, 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 hintuturo, hintuturo, hinlalato, hinlalato, the ring finger, palasingsingan, palasingsingan, and the little finger, hinliliit. Hinliliit. Hinlalaki, hintuturo, hinlalato, palasingsingan, and last one, hinliliit. So, ayan lang for this video. Bye-bye!